Hi, I'm Chris Hurd, here inside the spectacular booth of Honeywell Intelligrated on the show floor of MODEX 2020 in Atlanta. This booth is filled with some fascinating and very cutting-edge technology, all designed to help you take your system from DC now to DC next. I'm here with Mike Kelton, who is Business Development Manager at Honeywell Intelligrated, and you'll notice we're looking at something around your neck here, Mike.
Yeah.
That is augmented reality smart glasses, right?
Correct.
We're going from science fiction to science fact here.
Yes.
Actually, this is not the newest technology in the world, but we want to let everybody know that you have found at Honeywell Intelligrated sort of a unique way to use this to reduce downtime in the DC environment, right? Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so we actually utilize these to reduce the downtime by getting eyes into the site. So when they have a situation mechanically usually, we can actually go into the site via the see what I see aspect of the AR glasses, and we can actually help solve the problem faster.
That's great. Are there other applications other than reducing downtime, other ways you're trying to bring these to the fore?
Yeah, so we're actually trying to tie it into our CMMS software applications to actually show work instructions right there in your field of view while you're solving the problem. It doesn't have to be connected at that point, you're actually just local. And so you can actually solve the problem locally and through the internet.
So let's talk about what using these augmented reality smart glasses actually looks like. If you've got a problem, you simply have to put these on and then remote tech support comes in and they get to see what you see?
Yeah, actually we have it running right now. So I have these glasses around my neck and so I can put them on. And so now that I'm wearing them, it's a first person view.
I can wave to you and the remote guy sees exactly what we're seeing right now.
Exactly, yep.
Well, this is my good side. I'm gonna let you see that side right there. That's pretty cool.
At the same time, actually the expert has like a schematic drawing. That's actually floating in my vision right now.
This is what they're seeing. You can see this as well.
Right here.
Perfect.
Yep.
That's great.
Yep.
So be sure and reach out to us with any questions you may have, of course, but if you are ready to take your system from DC now to DC next, pretty clear that Honeywell Intelligrated is the one to get you there. Thanks for joining us.